Okay, so we got some more news on the Dark Revival and the new Bending Machine game coming out, and most of this news is from Puppet Steve. So shout out to Puppet Steve for letting me know about this. It was in one of his videos, but anyways, other than that, here's the first piece of news now, which wasn't given from Puppet Steve. Now, the first piece of news is this new character called Audrey, which I have a theory for her. I'm just gonna say it really quickly. She's Honey's sister. There, I'm done. I'm not saying it again. If you guys didn't hear it, then too bad for you. But yeah, if you look at her hands, and it kind of looks like that she's the character from the first person's perspective in the gameplay trailer. I'm just gonna switch over to YouTube and just show you a bit. Okay, we're here in the gameplay trailer, and look at the hands.
This feels wrong.
Just look at the hands, and then look at the Audrey's hands. This is from the teaser, by the way. Now, don't they? Now, if you hold on, I'm just gonna. Now, let's compare them side by side. Yeah. That probably states that Audrey is the character that was in the gameplay trailer in the first person perspective. Now with the character out of the way, let's get in the actual Puppet Steve thing, the thing that Puppet Steve gave us. Now, if you go to the official store and then hit the Toys tab if you're on a tablet or mobile device like me, and go down, then you would see this page 1 or 2 thing. Now click the arrow pointing to the left, or click load more objects if you're on a computer probably, and then you start to see the Dark Revival related stuff. I can't talk today. Anyways, let's get started. So, the first thing that we can see is the Sammy Lawrence, the Sammy plush. But only except this time, instead of it being white, and I know this because I saw Puppet Steve's video of him showing it at this Toy Fair video. But anyways, instead of it being white, it's yellow, which kind of reminds me of the Heavenly Toys theme, although this is not the Heavenly Toys. But why would they make a plush of him though? Because if he's dead, then he died in chapter 5 of the original game, by the way. Then why would they make a plush of him? Well, my theory is that he's not really dead. Yeah, you heard me correctly. He's probably not dead. Like, it would probably take more than the axe to the head to take out Sammy. But anyways, moving on, we got the Bendy plush in the Dark Revival. It's right next to the pillow bundle. But yeah, if you look at the Bendy plush, you can see that it has some clothes on instead of just the gloves and the bow. I think, is that the bow? Is that what it's called, the bow? Yeah, I think that's a bow. But anyways, yeah, he has a buttoned up shirt and some pants, which is very different from the original Bendy. Now, if you go over to here, you could see the Ink Bendy action figure, which looks much different than the original version of the Ink Bendy. So here, just compare the Ink Bendy from the original game, which you guys are seeing on screen right now, to the Ink Bendy in Dark Revival. And I'm gonna put the image of the original game Ink Bendy on the screen, and if you look at them, they look really different. Like, for example, the Dark Revival Ink Bendy looks more human and has a more creepier smile with human-like teeth, while the original game version has messed up features. Like one hand is more larger than the other, and then his mouth is more cartoony, and then yeah. And then if you go down more, you see an action figure. Oh, what the heck? What the heck? No, what the heck? No! Do not, hold on. I'm gonna, yes. But yeah, if you look at this figure of Bendy, it's basically the same design of the plush. Yeah, but I think they're going to change the designs of the characters in this game, but hopefully they'll still be like those cardboard cutouts of the original designs. And then if you go over, and then moving on, we got this the plush of Audrey, which was the new character that we just talked about, who I said could be Henry's sister. I said it again, but I said it probably more faster. And if you look, she has and what just, oh my god, did it again. But anyway, if you look at her, she's the same design, and only except she doesn't have the things on her shirt, so that's kind of weird. Then we got this slime playset, and again, are you serious? We got this ink machine slime playset. How do I get rid of that? Then we got this Sammy action figure, which probably further proves my point that Sammy didn't really die when Tom lodged the axe in his head. And then next to Sammy, we got the figure of Audrey, which, yeah, and look at the hands. They look more like what they did in the gameplay trailer, other than what they looked like in the teaser. And then we got the blacklight plushies, and then we got the keychains, which is very nice. And in here you could see a few new characters. You can see the Bendy. You can see, is that, I think that's Alice. You see, and is that the original design? Okay, apparently I think they didn't forget about the original design. But yeah, you see the original design. I think you could see Tom, see Audrey, Sammy, and that, which still proves my point that he probably didn't die. The new design of Ink Bendy, and then we got the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man if he was in Bending Machine. No, seriously, that looks like Stay Puft Marshmallow Man. And then we got two gold keychains, the gold Audrey, and then the gold Dark Revival Bendy, and then we got a silver Sammy. And then the last thing is the blacklight plush. But yeah, that's basically it. That's all the stuff from Dark Revival that Puppet Steve talked about in this video. Then yeah, I'm just really like they changed the design of Ink Bendy though, and they changed the design of the normal Bendy, and they made a slime set of the ink machine. And they're making Sammy toys again, even though he died in Chapter 5 of the original game, which probably says that he didn't really die. But yeah, that's all the stuff I want to talk about. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.